Hop like the froggy, Raina.
Frog. Don't step on the frog.
Wait till he hops. Say hop. Oh, there he goes. Yep, you gonna hop?
I know what you're saying. I know it.
Ooh, be careful. Say hop, little froggy.
Hop, little froggy.
There he goes.
Hi, froggy. He's something really fast. He's on the step.
Yeah, he got on the step.
Yes, froggy. He's dead. Booty. Booty.
But what he does is that when he gets the ball, he'll run at you. Because of his size, and intimidate you.
Raina, don't go near the water, baby. Come back. He's right here.